What's up? Today I want to do a review on the Outcast made by Garrett. His Instagram is I'm Not a Real Boy, and I'm gonna put his YouTube channel and Instagram down in the link below. And I bought this knife 3 months ago. And by the way, this is definitely not a fucking flipping video because my flipping sucks. Anyways, 3 months ago I bought this knife, and 3 months later I decided to do a reviewing video on this, and damn, it's still like, besides the scratches, I dropped it a lot. I abused this knife a lot. Can't put this freaking thing down because the sound is just amazing. I love the weight. I replaced the heavier spacer here because I like to flip with weights. Fuck man, the whole thing is just amazing. And with the price of $180, this is definitely a must-buy balisong, and I don't think they are still available, but he's gonna make more knife, and all you gotta do is follow his Instagram. The customer service is amazing. This guy is really responsible for his creation, and he will make sure that everything is good for you. If there's anything wrong, he'll help you fix that. All you gotta do is contact him. I have nothing to complain about this knife. Nothing at all. And I would recommend getting a knife from him, because damn, no play. This is like a hella press on it, and this is how much it's. Beautiful. I like the design, everything. So yeah, if he has any other drops, you guys definitely should try it out. And I don't really have a lot of balisong besides my Archangel and Tech 2, but yeah, this is like just as good.